Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying damage precisely. Find the full perimeter of each tier and mark it so you don't miss frayed fibers. Once marked, measure the opening and cut a patch about 1/2 to 1 inch larger than the hole so you can stitch a secure seam. You should use UV-resistant thread and a fine needle for mesh. This reduces future breakdown. Make sure the net is clean and completely dry. Damp fabric makes precise stitching harder and weakens knots. You'll now attach the patch starting from one corner and moving methodically so tension stays even. Place the patch on the outside face and align its weave with the net's weave to preserve airflow. Once aligned, make small whip stitches spaced about 3 to 4 millimeters apart. This distributes stress across the repair. Since corners concentrate force, reinforce them with a short backstitch. As you sew, keep stitches snug but not puckering. If the patch wrinkles, unpick and realign, because you finish by tying a secure knot and burying the thread tails inside the seam so they won't snag. Trim ends to about 2 to 3 millimeters. Once done, gently stretch the net around the repaired area and inspect for any gaps or loose stitches. This confirms strength and insect proofing. If you still see openings, place a second patch overlapping the first, or apply a small amount of fabric glue under the seam to seal edges. Only use glue sparingly and let it cure fully before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.